We will look into a range of methods that will assist you in elevating your productivity to new heights, which will enable you to not only meet but also exceed your goals. 1. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks. The Eisenhower matrix, which is also commonly known as the urgent important matrix, is an effective decision-making tool that assists in prioritizing tasks based on their urgency and importance. This matrix divides responsibilities into 4 distinct quadrants: duties that are both urgent and important, tasks that are neither urgent nor important, activities that are urgent but not important, and chores that are neither urgent nor important. By applying this framework to the review of activities in a methodical manner, you will be able to determine which jobs demand your immediate attention and which may be postponed. This will enable you to concentrate on those chores that get you closer to achieving your goals and objectives. 2. Recognize the importance of time blocking. Time blocking is a strategy that entails dividing your day up into discrete chunks of time that are then assigned to various activities or responsibilities. This is a very efficient method. You can develop a disciplined approach to your work by giving predetermined time periods to individual projects. This reduces the temptation to multitask and encourages continuous focus on one activity at a time. This technique will not only improve your ability to manage your time, but it will also increase your productivity, make it less likely that you will become distracted, and cut down on the amount of time you spend putting things off. 3. Harness the productivity-boosting potential of the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a method of time management that centers on concentrated work sessions that are interspersed with brief breaks. The technique got its name from the Italian word for tomato, which was inspired by the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that its founder employed. The normal implementation of this strategy entails working diligently for a period of 25 minutes during what is referred to as a Pomodoro, followed by a break of 5 minutes. After finishing 4 Pomodoros, you should go ahead and take a longer break of somewhere between 15 and 30 minutes. Maintaining optimal focus, increasing productivity, and warding off burnout are all achievable goals when you make use of concentrated bursts of work followed by purposeful breaks. 4. Make the most of the power of setting SMART goals. Goal setting is an essential component of productivity. Using the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, can dramatically improve your ability to achieve your goals. SMART goals provide clarity and direction by ensuring that your objectives are well-defined, practical, and time-sensitive. SMART goals are an acronym for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. First, you should break down larger goals into smaller, more achievable tasks. Then, you should routinely evaluate your progress to ensure that you are staying on track and to make any required adjustments. 5. Get rid of distractions to improve your concentration. In today's environment, which is filled to the brim with digital distractions, it is essential to minimize disruptions in order to improve productivity. You should schedule specific times to check your emails and notifications, and you should also think about utilizing website blocks or apps that temporarily block websites that are distracting. In addition, clear the clutter from your desk and get it tidy in order to improve your capacity to concentrate and finish activities in a timely manner. 6. Delegate and outsource. Recognizing which jobs may be properly delegated or outsourced is a vital component of good productivity. Delegating and outsourcing are 2 terms that are sometimes used interchangeably. Your ability to concentrate on high-priority activities that are in line with your expertise and harness the talents of others is greatly enhanced when you delegate assignments. Delegating responsibilities, whether they are related to your personal life or your professional life, can free up your time and energy to focus on the things that genuinely need your attention. 7. Embrace the 2-minute rule. Adhering to the 2-minute rule will assist you in effectively managing chores that need little to no effort on your part. If a task can be finished in less than 2 minutes, you should start working on it right away. If you take care of these very insignificant responsibilities as soon as they arise, you won't have to worry about them piling up and draining your strength and focus. 8. Participate in proactive planning. Devote a few minutes of your time each night or morning to planning out the next day in advance. By engaging in this activity, you will be able to generate a roadmap for your tasks, allot time blocks for particular activities, and rank your goals in order of importance. A well-structured plan can act as a guide, assisting you in maintaining your organization and maintaining your concentration throughout the day. 9. Foster a habit of continuous learning. Devoting some of your time and energy to ongoing education is an investment in both your personal and professional development. Participate in various pursuits such as reading books, enrolling in online courses, going to workshops, or taking part in webinars. You can better prepare yourself to face obstacles and complete tasks if you continually expand your knowledge and skills. 10. Strive for a healthy balance between your work and personal life. Productivity includes not only accomplishments linked to work but also an individual's total well-being. Maintaining a good work-life balance helps you avoid burnout and improves the general quality of your life, both of which are factors that contribute to your total productivity. 11. Conduct periodic reviews and reflections. Do regular reviews of your progress and think about how you may improve your productivity tactics. Determine what aspects are succeeding and which can benefit from some improvements. Your capacity to modify your strategy in response to these reflections will be a significant factor in determining how well your productivity strategies evolve over time. 12. Embrace a holistic approach to self-care. The key to a fruitful existence is a solid foundation of overall well-being. Make self-care routines a top priority. This includes getting enough sleep, being hydrated, being physically active on a regular basis, and cultivating an awareness of the present moment.